Welcome to Cocktail with the Southern. Today, we will taste testing 3 birds hard seltzer.
Alright. And we have mojito, mimosa, and pina colada. And also, wait, what is one more? Peach Bellini.
Peach Bellini.
Oh, I love the cup. I do like the cocktail with a nice taste.
Yeah.
Nice touch. I can taste. I'm ready to taste already. I taste it.
Do by the side.
Okay. Let's do it.
First one, we be taste testing is the mojito.
There we go.
Mojito.
Bottle.
Oh, the water's good right over.
Mosquitoes everywhere. Well, they like a good time too, you know? Good.
Nice mojito. Love me a mojito.
Mosquito Moscato. Okay, look at that.
Oh, just finished it.
Good.
Very nice.
Barely made it.
I taste
Nearly
the
there,
full.
nearly
Cheers.
there.
Cheers.
Wow, you
It's like salsa.
It's not sweet though. Well,
It's like
it's
salsa.
salsa.
I love
Well,
salsa.
yeah, but you really taste the
I
salsa.
love
You
salsa.
don't
It's not
taste
sweet,
the
it's not
flavor.
So this
I
is
love it.
Yeah.
gluten-free. It's a hard seltzer. So this is something that's not really gonna overpower you.
I love the mint.
Mosquitoes are out. Yeah, I smell mint. Yeah.
5% alcohol.
I think the
5%.
mosquitoes are coming around
And
even
you
more.
only taste the alcohol as well, not me.
The mosquitoes think it's sweet because they're flying around like crazy.
Yeah.
Hurry up, turtle up.
I don't really taste
So this one's not really sweet. It's not really.
No.
I think it's salsa, but with
I could
salsa.
drink this all day. I like it.
I'm refreshing.
Yeah.
I'm refreshing.
The next one is mimosa.
Mimosa. What does it have on the can? Tangerine?
Yeah, tangerine. Yeah,
Tangerine.
like almond. Yeah.
Throw that in my belly.
And I smell the tangerine. It smells nice.
Okay. Oh yeah, we smell the flavor. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mimosa.
That one is good. It's like a blood orange.
Yeah. Like
That one is good.
like maybe like more like refreshing because it's
Right.
because it's salsa.
Yeah,
refreshing because
it's
it's
like more
salsa.
flavor than
Flavor
mojito.
first,
Yeah.
and then it just goes away
And then
just
you
like
get the
that.
salsa.
Any calories. And only 100 calories per can.
100?
Yeah.
That's why it ain't no flavor.
It's nice though.
What's
It's
the
nice and
salsa?
refreshing. Remember, this is for people who don't want to, you
Yeah.
know, all those calories.
Yeah.
Where you can
Yeah.
have a couple cans and it doesn't really, you know.
If you're into
It's not gonna affect
salsa,
your
you will
workout.
love it. I'm not really a salsa type of person, so
I like it.
I need a little bit more flavor.
Me too. Yeah, I got you. I love the flavor. But it's nice. Mimosa kind of, you know, gives you a little.
Next one, pina colada.
Let's see what you
Enjoy a
got.
good pina colada
Yeah.
by the pool. Or in the pool, rather.
Pina colada.
All right, let's try it. Okay,
You know, it has a smell. It smells really nice. All of them smell really good. Yeah.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You can take the pineapple. This might be
Yeah.
my favorite.
Oh,
Ain't
yeah, that's
coconut.
better. Yeah.
That's my
Ain't
favorite.
Yeah, you
coconut.
could definitely taste
Right.
it.
You
taste the
taste the
pineapple.
flavors in
And
here,
hit the
but
coconut.
Still-
You taste coconut
I
too.
love the
taste the
I know, right? The
Yeah.
pineapple and the
Yeah.
hint of coconut, and then it goes away.
This is nice. Yeah.
It just refreshes you. No aftertaste in any
just
of these.
enough to give you a little flavor. The mosquitoes are killing me.
It's good.
And I forgot to bring the book.
This is not my favorite one though.
This might be my favorite
Yeah.
so far.
Yeah, mine too. Yeah.
I don't know, but I love Peach though. Peach Bellini's coming up. Let's see what happens.
Next one, peach Bellini.
Let's do it.
Now I'm gonna start burping like a sailor in a minute.
Oh, so the usual one.
So this very.
Three birds.
What the, I didn't know
Oh,
that.
this
that
smells
that-
nice.
What that?
I smell the
Oh
peach.
yeah. Smells amazing. So far so good, guys. Remember, this is supposed to be like a brunch type of thing, you know?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
All right.
Cheers.
For the brunch bun. My first favorite. No, this is my
Yeah,
favorite.
this is my favorite.
That's my second favorite.
Yeah,
I
I
like the pina
really
colada.
get
Yeah.
the flavor.
And the pina colada.
This is
Yeah.
my
I can see
favorite.
this being a brunch thing.
Yeah.
I can
the
see
pina
this with
colada.
some bacon and some eggs, you know, some French toast. A nice omelet. I might be getting hungry.
Croissant.
Oh, you make cocktails with this too. You make cocktails with this.
Oh, you should.
Yeah.
The top drawer.
That's right, because you have the carbonation, you know?
Yeah.
Nice
Peach
little-
Bellini was my favorite. The rest of them,
Hey, pina colada.
Look at a little bit, then. This is nice.
So you get 12 cans for what? $12 for $12.
I like
Yeah,
all four of
it's
them.
nice.
yeah, I think so.
Yeah, $12,
I
12
like all
cans.
four of them.
Right. And it's called Three Birds,
Yeah.
get it? Three birds, one stone, you know? Like, it's nice, I love it. I like it. Gluten-free, natural flavors. That's what they live by. Only 100, you know.
Nice and light.
calories
It's
a
nice and
can.
light. It's light.
Yeah.
It's
like-
very nice and light. You would have to like
Nice
seltzer.
looking
Yeah.
party
You
You
have to
pack.
have to be a
Seltzer.
seltzer person.
You have to be
know?
a social person.
I love
Yeah.
salsa, so it's right up my
Right.
alley.
But it's for a brunch, though. So you're talking
Is there
about
any alcohol
morning
in
time.
here?
5%.
5%. Ooh,
Yeah.
I'm throwing them back like it's
But you see, this is like made for like morning, you know, early afternoon time.
Yeah.
You know, so it's not
I
going
like
to
a hot day.
overpower you.
Or
Right.
a hot
Or
day.
for a hot day.
Definitely, definitely.
Right.
Have a
So it
nice
kind of makes
chill.
sense. I think
If you were
they nailed it.
a seltzer person, you will love
Right.
it.
You're not going to have this
Absolutely
at
love it.
Yeah, you're not going to have this in the club at nighttime or in the bar. In the kids are like, no.
It's not
It's
bad.
really chill. We love it. It's refreshing. It lives up to it. We
So
love
good.
it.
So it's really good.
Oh yeah, 5 stars. Thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up to the
Okay,
people.
so until next time, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, so
I'm sure I went back so far.
cheers.
Fun time.
Don't take me outside. Maybe that was not good.